My brother recently picked up a new hobby. He bought a Flair 58, which, if you're not familiar, is a manual espresso machine. And he was so excited. He asked me if we could do an unboxing and if I could film it for him. So I've really been wanting to improve my video making skills, I suppose. As you guys know from the previous video, I've been inspired by all these cinematic vloggers and I want to make my videos of better quality for you guys. So I jumped at the chance and we filmed a little unboxing for you. First, open the box. I'll first show the box, turn it around.
White snow, red sky, reach up for so high. Blue eyes, fake cry, beware of the fox tonight.
So in the spirit of learning how to make really good coffee, a friend of mine who is also really into coffee, I'll insert her Instagram handle somewhere here in case you want to check her out. She mentioned that she learned a lot of the basics from another friend of ours. So I reached out to him to have a little bit of a coffee workshop for my brother and I.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned where I had sometimes played chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling. Good old complexions that I adore. So hard to find, these seem impossible to score. So I dream on to someday find that vintage love. I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, your whiskey neat. The lights were dimmed as our eyes met, and you saw me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream.
Compared to that one. I like this. This one, but the acidity is very mild. Like, not mild, but calm. Ano siya? Creamy.
Oh my gosh, sana ako pag-toker gabi. I'm gonna be so wired. But this is really good. I like this. Inani akong gusto. I'm like, nagpadungog pa. Inani akong gusto. My home barista. Please make for me.
And I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. Out of a sudden, you came through the door. At the next table, your whiskey neat. The lights were dim as our eyes met, and you saw me. And forevermore, I like to share that vintage dream. And forevermore, we're living in that vintage dream.
Hello, I just came home from the coffee workshop. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm a little wired right now. Having a snack, because for some reason I am starving. Oh, so good. I had a lot of fun. I learned a lot. Like I said, I didn't know what to expect. Rolling away over here. I'm so wired on coffee right now. I think I had about like maybe 3 or 4 cups of espresso, and then we moved on to the pour overs, and then we did an AeroPress to finish it off. So it was a lot of coffee. Oh my gosh, I'm choking on macaroni. A lot of coffee very late in the day when I usually don't have coffee anymore past 12 o'clock. I really hope the mic isn't picking out like my mouth sounds, because that would be disgusting. I'm so sorry if it is, but I'm so hungry and I can't not eat right now. With every cup I drank, I got hungrier and hungrier. And Tido was saying that's probably because of the acidity in the coffee. It's making you salivate. But honestly, I think I'm just hungry. So yeah, basically, it was like a coffee appreciation class. I learned so much about like... Oh my gosh, I can't remember what I've learned. I like that basically it wasn't a very like snobby workshop. Like, this is how you make coffee. This is how things are done. It was a very encouraging workshop to get people to appreciate coffee and experiment and find the flavor that they like and find a way to brew coffee in a way that they enjoy doing. I have no idea if any of this is making sense. I don't know. I had a lot of fun and I tasted a lot of award-winning coffee beans, which was interesting because that's probably something I would never do on my own time. And then having it made by a professional barista, of course, is like such a treat. So yeah, it was fun. Definitely worth it. Thank you so much for keeping me company this week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's a little bit of a different format from how we usually do things, but I hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. Leave me a comment down below if you have any thoughts or suggestions on anything else that you would like to see. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!